Welcome. Today in front of me OnePlus Nord CE 5G, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and scroll a little bit down to the sounds and vibration. Now as you can hear, we got the vibration and sound section. We can turn on and turn off the silent mode in the vibration. On our device, here we got the volume panel, so we can adjust the ringtone and notification volume, the alarm volume, and media volume by swap these dot to the left or to the right side with your finger. Also, we got here the don't disturb mode, the earphone mode. And then we can also change the phone ringtone. We can also change the notification sound. Also got here the system sound section. Here we will turn on the touch sounds when we'll just touch our screen. You can hear that. Okay, when I'll will touch my screen, I'll open the app, or if I'll go back, I can hear the screen touches on my device. Also I got here the dial pad tone. If we'll just turn on this function, then we'll go to the phone application. Now we can hear the touches of our dial pad, and also the screen locking sound when we'll just lock or unlock our screen. We can hear the sound, and also the screenshot sound. When you'll just take a screenshot, you'll hear the sound of the screen. Also the touch vibration. If you'll just turn on this option, when you'll just touch your screen, you'll feel the vibration, but I will turn off this function. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.